I feel that I have not been quite successful in highlighting the importance of starting your investing with asset class, and then from asset class select the right instrument. So if I were to put my principle aside, how to start doing investing in this ETF, then I would say it's just like you start investing in stock, or you start investing into unit trust fund. Like anything, spend some time to study what is it all about. And then when we want to select ETF, I would suggest to say that start with a small portion of your money. Do not be so confident you want to build a full portfolio, because full portfolio sounds like a big chunk of money to me. So maybe start with some established provider, also established sector like US market. Say for example, Vanguard, BlackRock in the US S&P 500. So maybe buy one or two and try it for 1 year or two to understand how does it go, what are the details, what are the operation, or what are the risks that you may not be aware of before you want to build a portfolio of ETF. To start investing and to build a portfolio, number one, it may require more money to start with. Number two, the fact that you are not so familiar with ETF and then you want to build a portfolio, you may need to select 10 different ETF, and that could be quite challenging and time consuming to research. Or another way could be buy a robo-advisor to have a taste as what ETF, because generally robo-advisor only invest into ETF. By investing into a robo-advisor, you can see what kind of ETF they select, you can see how they change the ETF, and they also give you report, so you can use it as a reference as what ETF to start with and slowly build your portfolio. But having said that, I still would suggest a more effective way of growing your wealth is always to start with asset class, because ETF is not the ultimate or sure win instrument in all sector, in all market. So we got to be very objective about which instrument to use for what market and what sector. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.